Good morning, students. I am Dr. N. Srividya, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Business Administration, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Now we shall see the first unit of Financial Management. In this presentation, we shall see about the meaning of financial management, definition, objectives, scope, organization of finance function, and role of finance manager. Meaning of financial management. Financial management refers to the management of flow of funds in the firm. It deals with the financial decision making of the firm. It is mainly concerned with the timely procurement of adequate finance from various sources and its utmost effective utilization for the attainment of organizational objectives. It focuses mainly on overall managerial decision making in general and with the management of economic resources in particular. Now we shall see the definition of financial management. According to S.C. Kuchal, financial management deals with the procurement of funds and their effective utilization in the business. Then we can see about the objectives of financial management. There are two objectives. One is profit maximization, then another one is wealth maximization. Profit maximization, according to this concept, a firm should undertake all those activities which add to its profits and eliminate all others which reduce its profits. All decisions, whether financing, dividend or investment, should result in profit maximization. Arguments in favor of profit maximization. Profit is a yardstick of efficiency. It helps in effective allocation and utilization of scarce resources. The rate of return on capital employed is considered as the best measurement of the profits. Profit acts as motivator for hard work. Social and economic welfare is also maximized. Criticism against profit maximization as a goal. First one is ambiguity. It lacks precise connotation. Profit may be long term or short term, total profit or rate of profit, before tax or after tax, and so on. The next criticism is about time value of money. This concept ignores time value of money, that is, the value of rupee today will be greater as compared to the value of rupee received after 1 year. The another criticism is that about the risk factor. It ignores risk factor. The certainty or uncertainty of income receivable in future can be high or less. The next objective is wealth maximization. According to this concept, finance manager should take such decisions which increase net present value of the firm and should not undertake any activity which decreases net present value. All the three main decisions of finance manager, financing, investment, dividend decisions, affect net present value of the firm. The greater the amount of net present value, the greater will be value of firm and more will it be in the interest of shareholders. This concept gives due consideration to the time value of expected income receivable over different periods of time. Under this concept, risk and uncertainty are analyzed with the help of interest rate. This concept uses cash flows instead of accounting profits, which removes ambiguity associated with the term profit. Now we shall see about the scope of financial management. First one is traditional approach. The scope of financial management is confined to the raising of funds, that is procurement of funds by corporate enterprises to meet their financial needs. But the scope of finance function in the traditional approach has now been discarded due to the following limitations. Traditional approach was the outsider looking in approach, as corporates were woven around the viewpoint of supplier of funds. Internal financial decision making was completely ignored. It didn't pay any attention to day-to-day financial aspects. It was confined to infrequent happenings in the life of the firm. It lays less importance on working capital management. Modern approach, the emphasis of financial management has been shifted from raising of funds to the effective and judicious utilization of funds. It focuses on wise use of funds. According to this approach, the financial management is concerned with the solution for the major areas relating to the financial operations of a firm, that is investing, financing and dividend decisions. This is the chart showing the organization of finance function. At topmost authority or the board of directors. In next, managing director, we have next the managers and of different departments, treasurer, controller, and they undergo various functions like cash management, banking management, credit management, etc. Role of finance manager. First role is forecasting financial requirements. A finance manager has to forecast the required funds for long-term purposes and for working capital. For this, budgetary control and long-range planning are used. Financing decision. The finance manager has to take decisions regarding various sources from where funds could be raised. He has to maintain a proper balance between long-term funds and short-term funds. He has to decide the ratio between outside long-term funds and own funds. He must also see that overall capitalization of the firm is such that the firm is able to procure funds at minimum cost. Another role of financial manager is taking investment decisions. Investment decisions relate to selection of assets in which funds are to be invested by the firm. Long-term investment decisions are referred to as capital budgeting decisions, which relate to fixed assets. The finance manager has to evaluate the profitability of every investment proposal carefully before funds are committed to them. The short-term investment decisions are referred to as working capital management. The finance manager has to decide on the retention of cash and cash equivalents, receivables and inventories. The next role of finance manager is taking decision about dividends. A finance manager has to assist the top management in deciding as to what amount of dividend should be paid to the shareholders and what amount should be retained in the business itself. Next one is deciding overall objectives. The finance manager has to determine the overall goals of the finance department. Role of finance manager with regard to supply of funds to all parts of the organization is also important. The finance manager has to ensure that all sections are supplied with adequate funds. Sections which have an excess of funds have to contribute to the central pool for use in other sections which need funds. The next role is evaluating financial performance. The finance manager has to constantly review the financial performance of the various units of the organization. It helps the management in assessing how the funds have been utilized in various divisions and what can be done to improve it. Financial negotiation. The finance manager has to negotiate with financial institutions, banks, public depositors or raising funds. He has to furnish a lot of information to them in this process. Next one is keeping touch with stock exchange quotations and behavior of share prices. This involves analysis of major trends in the stock market and judging their impact on the prices of the shares of the firm. Thank you.